Hi everyone. I kind of want to talk about the blog post assignment that's coming up, which is the first part that's due February 17th. When you go into Blackboard, let me go to this announcement page that you see when you come in. You may come to this page, or if you come to the announcement page, this is what you see first when you go into Blackboard. Where you're going to get to this assignment is down here at the bottom, right over here where it says Protocol Blog. That's where you're going to click. You're going to go there, and then here is the blog protocol blog assignment. You're going to click on that, and that's going to actually take you to the assignment page. Now, the other thing that you're going to be looking at is this website here, or you may end up finding a different website that you want to use. That's fine, but this one has a lot of great tools on it. And let me kind of go back a page because I opened that one. So on this page, you end up seeing all these protocols. Some are really great, some you may love, some you may not like. That's just a matter of the fact. But these protocols are for you to use with students or with adults during a meeting. So it's up to you how you want to use the protocol. So if you want to do this within your classroom with your students, excellent. If you end up wanting to use one of these in your meeting, that's perfectly fine with your colleagues, your mentee, your coach, or a group of team members. All that's perfectly fine to do. But what you're going to do is you're just going to choose one of these. So for example, if I kind of go through and pretty much it's hit or miss, you just kind of choose, see which one sounds really good. So I'm going to come down here and just kind of look for one that I kind of want to check out. And like here's the feedback carousel. So you can open it up and you just end up kind of reading through it. This is exactly what's supposed to happen, and how you would run through this type of protocol. If you don't like it, just go back, choose a different one. But once you choose one that you like, you're going to come back to the Blackboard and you're going to create a blog entry. And so let's just say I chose the feedback one, so I would just call it the feedback what protocol, whatever it was listed at on there. And then I would just list your last name so we all know which it is. And then basically by February 17th, what you're going to do is you're just going to post what you think about this protocol, how you're going to use it, if you have to make any changes, because if you're teaching first or second grade, the protocol might actually be for more of a fifth grade, so you may have to make some adaptations, which is fine. Or if you're looking at something and you know the clientele or who you're working with might need a minor tweak, just explain that in this. What's your thoughts, what you're thinking. So you're just going to go on and type like, just a quick overview, the feedback protocol I plan on using with the group of teachers in my grade level. And I would obviously expand a lot more so people know exactly what your plan is. If you look down here at the assignment page, your original post is due by February 17th. Then, after you get that posted by February 17th, you're going to then come back between the 17th and 20th and respond to someone. You want to look at this and kind of look and think about respond thinking as a coach. You want to think about if you were the coach and this was your coachee person that you were helping, how would you help them with this? So you kind of want to change your role. Instead of you actually doing it, how are you helping someone improve it? Then, as you move forward, by March 2nd, so between the 20th and the 2nd, you're actually going to implement this protocol. Then by the 2nd, I want you to go back and respond back to your original post. So let me pull that up here. So once you kind of create a post, you're going to be able to respond, and you'll see that on there. And you're just going to respond back to your original piece on the reflection. How did it go? What worked? What didn't work? There are no right or wrong answers with your reflection. It's just really thinking back to how it all happened. So that way we can kind of see your original thoughts, what people thought, what they said to you, and then how it all went. During this time, we are not having discussion board, so this is really where we're going to be focusing our attention. I'll be responding in this. So really this is a work in progress for you to really enhance your thinking about the protocols and making the application piece within your setting. So that's going to be with that. This is a brand new assignment that I'm trying this year or this semester. So there may be a few kinks that we may work out together. I'm not going to be hard, very picky on this. It's more for me to see how this goes. It's something new that I learned in a workshop. So I want to see how it works with you all. So bear with me as we kind of move through this assignment. It may work, it may not. So I just think this is a better way of doing this so you guys have some interaction with each other on the protocol and being able to think as a coach within an online setting rather than face to face, because sometimes coaching can happen across different media settings such as online, the way you're taking this course. So this gives us a different route of ways to help people. Plus, when you're working with your mentee, you may not be in the same building and you may end up doing more computerized sessions where you're working with your mentee. So gives us a different way of helping each other work through something. If you have any questions, please let me know. The big thing is the first post is due by the 17th. Then you're going to have your response that you need to get back on and kind of read some people's responses and give them feedback uh, by the 20th. And then between the 20th and the 2nd, that's when you're actually going to implement your protocol that you've chosen and give a reflection piece. But it's all going to take place on this blog, and we won't be doing the discussion board, and that should be posted in the syllabus. Other than that, I hope everyone's having a great week. I'm definitely having an enjoyable week. Our daughter came home, my wife, we came home on this past Sunday, so we're trying to adjust as a life of a family of four with my 2-year-old and our newborn, so things are going really well. Other than that, hopefully you're having a great week and you're staying warm and you guys didn't get too much ice wherever you are. Have a good one.